Are you single and ready to explore the world? Wondering which countries are the best for English-speaking travelers? Then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the top travel destinations for solo adventurers. You'll discover exciting experiences and get around easily, speaking English everywhere you go. Relaxation, meeting new people, or just enjoying life, these countries offer all that and more. Stay until the end for exclusive tips just for you. Let's go. Why is English so important when traveling solo? It's simple. It makes communication super easy. You can meet new people. You can find your way anywhere. And if you need help, it's quick to get it. In countries where English is widely spoken, you'll have less stress. You can fully enjoy your trip. In this video, you'll discover which countries speak English and why they're perfect for singles like you. Our first destination is Australia. English is the native language here. That makes everything easier for you. Australia is a dream destination for solo travelers. Why? It offers everything: adventure, stunning nature, and relaxed encounters with open and friendly people. English is the main language here, so communicating and finding your way around is a breeze. Why is Australia perfect for singles? Backpacker culture. Australia is world famous for its backpacker scene. Especially along the east coast, you'll find hostels buzzing with travelers from all over the world. It's super easy to make friends here. Outdoor experiences. Australia is packed with thrilling activities. You can dive or snorkel in the Great Barrier Reef, drive along the iconic Great Ocean Road, or hike through the breathtaking Uluru National Park. Whatever activity you choose, you'll meet like-minded people. Beach lifestyle. Australian beaches are legendary. Bondi Beach in Sydney, Whitehaven Beach in the Whitsundays, or Surfers Paradise in Queensland are ideal for relaxing and meeting new friends. Activities like group yoga, surf lessons, or beach parties create great connections. You'll never feel lonely in Australia. Aussies are super friendly and love to chat. Whether you're at a cafe, a bar, or on a tour in the Blue Mountains, there's always someone ready for a fun conversation. Additional perks of solo traveling in Australia. Working and traveling. With a working holiday visa, you can stay longer, travel and work. Jobs like fruit picking, hostel work, or restaurant gigs are easy to find and often super social. Hostel events. Many hostels host BBQ nights, pub crawls, or movie evenings. They're perfect for connecting with other travelers. Group tours. Australia offers countless group tours tailored for solo travelers. Sail the Whitsundays, join an outback safari, or hike in Tasmania. Group tours are excellent for making new friends. Road trips. Rent a campervan and share costs with fellow travelers. Road trips in Australia are legendary, and traveling with others combines adventure with meaningful connections. Nightlife and bars. Cities like Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane offer exciting nightlife. Themed parties, live music, and laid-back pubs are great spots to socialise. Unique highlights in Australia. The Great Barrier Reef. Snorkel, dive, or take a glass-bottom boat tour. These tours are group-friendly, and you'll surely meet adventurous people. Uluru and the Outback. Experience Australia's Red Centre. Many tours cater to solo travellers. Whitsunday Islands. These stunning islands attract travellers worldwide. Meet like-minded adventurers on a sailing trip and witness the famous Whitehaven Beach. Melbourne's artsy side. Explore street art, cosy cafes, and cultural hotspots like Fitzroy and Brunswick. Here, you can snorkel in the Great Barrier Reef. You can go skydiving, and you can join a legendary beach party. Australians are friendly and open. Join a barbecue at the park or book a group tour. You'll make new friends quickly. Here's a pro tip. get a working holiday visa, work on a farm or in a hostel, earn money and explore the country deeply. Next up is Canada. Canada is one of the best destinations for solo travelers. Why? Canada offers endless opportunities to meet people while enjoying the beauty of its nature and vibrant cities. Whether you're visiting Toronto, Vancouver, or Montreal, there's always something going on. English is widely spoken, so communication is never a problem. Outdoor adventures for nature lovers, Canada is a paradise. Hike through the Rocky Mountains, camp in one of its stunning national parks, or go canoeing on crystal clear lakes. These activities often lead to meeting like-minded adventurers. City connections. Canada's cities are full of life. Warm hospitality. Canadians are famously friendly. Whether you're asking for directions or striking up a conversation at an event, locals will make you feel comfortable and welcome. Diverse experiences. Want to combine nature and the city? In Canada, you can hike in the mountains in the morning and enjoy a world-class dinner in downtown Vancouver in the evening. Canada's variety always keeps things exciting. Another bonus, events like concerts, cooking classes and walking tours are not just a great way to discover Canada. They're also perfect for connecting with other travelers. Pro tip, plan a trip on the famous Canadian train. This panoramic journey connects cities like Toronto and Vancouver. It's ideal for sightseeing and meeting fellow globetrotters. Here's the advantages that both Australia and Canada share for solo travelers. While each country is unique, they both offer features that make them ideal for solo adventures. Common advantages for solo travelers in Australia and Canada. Safety. Both Australia and Canada are among the safest travel destinations in the world. Whether you're exploring the cities like Sydney, Melbourne, Vancouver or Toronto, or venturing into the wilderness, both countries provide a strong sense of safety and comfort for solo travelers. Friendly and welcoming locals. Australians and Canadians are known for their friendliness and laid-back nature. In both countries, it's easy to strike up a conversation, get local tips, and feel welcomed wherever you go. Wide range of outdoor adventures. Both countries invite solo travelers to enjoy an incredible range of outdoor activities. In Australia, you can surf on beaches, trek in the outback, or scuba dive. In Canada, you'll find kayaking, hiking in the Rocky Mountains, or skiing. Most activities in both countries are arranged for small groups, making it easier to meet like-minded adventurers. Strong backpacker and travel community. Both Australia and Canada host millions of solo travelers and backpackers every year. This creates a vibrant travel community in hostels, on road trips, and during organized group activities where you're bound to connect with others. Excellent travel infrastructure. Both countries have outstanding infrastructure designed specifically for travelers. Australia. You'll find great transport networks like Greyhound buses and travel apps like Travello to join ride shares. Canada. Ride-sharing groups and well-managed guided tours make exploring the country a breeze. Traveling between destinations in either country is straightforward and connecting with others is seamless. Diverse group activities. Whether in nature or cities, both countries offer activities where solo travelers can easily bond with others. Surfing lessons in Australia or guided hikes in Canada. Social events like pub crawls and city tours in both countries are ideal for meeting fellow travelers. Hostel culture and social accommodations. Hostels in both countries cater specifically to solo travelers with vibrant social atmospheres. Australia is famous for flashbacker hostels that host BBQ nights and events. Canada features cozy hostels with group activities like movie nights, hiking tours, and shared excursions. Stunning natural wonders. Both countries are home to some of the planet's most breathtaking natural landscapes. Australia, explore the Great Barrier Reef, the Uluru, or drive along the Great Ocean Road. Canada, witness the Rockies, Banff and Jasper National Parks and beautiful glacial lakes. These locations often include organized tours perfect for solo travelers. Festival and event culture. Both countries boast thriving festival scenes for social travelers. In Canada, join the Toronto Film Festival, Montreal Jazz Festival, or Calgary Stampede. In Australia, attend New Year's Eve celebrations in Sydney or the Melbourne Food and Wine Festival. Seasonal variety. Both Australia and Canada offer year-round activities for solo travelers. Australia, summer allows for activities like diving, sailing, and beach hopping. Canada, enjoy winter activities such as skiing and skating, plus summer hikes and water adventures. Conclusion: a perfect blend of adventure and social connection. Both Australia and Canada provide one-of-a-kind experiences for solo travelers, along with a welcoming community, great infrastructure, and unforgettable landscapes. With countless group activities, thrilling outdoor adventures, excellent accommodations, and fantastic social events, they stand out as top destinations for anyone traveling on their own. Australia and Canada, two of the most popular destinations for singles ready to explore the world. Whether you're drawn to Australia's endless beaches and adventures or Canada's breathtaking mountains and warm hospitality, both countries promise unforgettable experiences, tons of fun, and a chance to meet amazing people. Did you enjoy this video? Then show us some love with a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments which country you'd like to visit first, Australia or Canada. We're excited to hear your choice. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas for solo travel. Thanks for watching, and here's to your next adventurous journey.